Hey there, welcome to my channel. So today agenda is like how to find this question. So question is like find number of customer who place it order in furniture and technology category. How to find two categories, right? Number of customer who place it order in two categories. So let's go in Tableau. So just I already created this one for you guys. So for that we just go into we'll just create a category in the column cell, then customer in row cell, and then sales in label test. Okay, now in after that we need to create a calculation, right? So for that go and add it, and here is the calculation you can see. Okay, so calculation is like fix customer name colon sum if category is equal to furniture, then 1 and greater than 0, and fix customer name colon sum if category is equal to technology, then 1 and greater than 0. Okay guys, so we just put calculation 1 into row cell, and then in the filter cell, when we put in the filter cell, just select the 2 because we have null values over there, so we don't need to select this one. We just selected it true and then hit OK. Now you can see here is 618 customer who placed order in both furniture and technology. If we have a third one, so we can hide this one. Now that is the your question answer, right? So all two members in this categories who place a order in both furniture and technology. I hope you enjoy guys. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can teach this kind of all tutorials. Thank you.